Hey everybody, I'm back again here. Today I'm making a video of my tool haul this week from Snap-on. They come down every other Wednesday, so this week I bought the 8-piece screwdriver set. Looking forward to using them. They should be good. I bought these U-joint adapters here, or swivel adapters, 1/2 inch and 3/8. I bought those, and I fucking got that bank. Looks like an old Snap-on tool truck. Got that for free with those. Here I bought a 1/4 inch ratchet, flex head. Here's some Torx keys. T8 up to T40. This is just a Snap-on air chuck I bought for filling up tires and shit. And this was just a promotional item he gave me today. Snap-on backpack. Not bad. It's a hard shell outside, so yeah, that's all I got this week. You know, I'm trying to not get too much stuff so I can try and pay my account off a bit, but yeah, that's all for this week. Thanks for watching.